So here we have the Urus, Lamborghini Urus by Mansory. Why not? If you spent the money on a SUV instead of a Q8, you could buy a Urus Carbon, nice, and then just deck it all out with Mansory. And bulletproof glass as well. Crazy. Bam. Anyway, here's the Urus. Let's have a look inside. Venatus is the name. I like the speaker design. Kind of really striking with the orange. Well, this is very nice. I mean, imagine the attention to detail here. Mansory Urus. Let's have a look inside. And star sky, of course. Can't have a Mansory without star sky. Or is it star sky? It's not star sky, it's moonroof. I missed that. Still, I kind of like this because the Urus is already quite overkill, so with some orange details and some huge wheels, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. If you want to go all out in the SUV game. So that was some from Mansory. Filmed more tomorrow. So we have a shark here, and it's a shark on the Lamborghini Urus by TopCar, Russian tuner. I kind of like how deep the carbon is. The pattern is really something. So the big question is special project. Wow, this was nice, like Aston Martin used to have for Geneva Motor Show 2019. Question is, would you take TopCar Urus or a Brabus 850 GLS? The interior seems to be stock. Yeah, that's a tricky question. See, it's carbon fenders. So very deep carbon. We could have a glance at the matte green facelift G-Wagon by TopCar. Apparently it's a shark, that's the logo. The interior is different as well. I wonder if it's Mercedes Designo paint. It is. Daimler AG. That sound when they close it though. I kind of like this clear carbon. It reminds me a little about Brabus, which was not so over the top. So that's all for TopCar. Urus. So I assume this is a GLC 850 horsepower GLC 63 AMG, or yes, 850. It was on the floor, so of course it is 850. Not complete leather either, but this is a nice, interesting design pattern. You see red here, and you see this red thing. Smells a lot of good leather in this one, actually. The floor is not leather, but still it's smells very nice of exclusive leather, even though it's not leather on the floor. This is a great SUV, 850 horsepower. A good winter car, I would say. Very good winter car. Even though I would have gone, of course you could also go G-Wagon, but more sportier, I maybe would have went for the GLS maybe, 7-seater, super versatile. So we have a 320 kilometers per hour speedometer. We have matte carbon here, matte carbon on mirrors. Of course, we have the Brabus logo. Goes to 320. I know something special with headrests with the Brabus logo, but hello! Like how we go?
Where's the entrance?
Around.
What are you doing? What is it?
I'm filming. I'll do like this. Go 1, 2, 3, and we can. Hello.
Oh, it's like 3D camera.
Yes. So it's.
How's the channel doing?
It's good. It's good. I need to film Brabus everything. I'll kill this now.